gotten quite a few questions about this ALEKS topics, finding the nth roots of perfect nth roots with signs. So I thought it was a good one to do just a quick supplemental video for. So what we're looking at really is the difference between these two situations here, that if we've got the negative of the fourth root of 16 or the fourth root of negative 16. So when you've got that negative on the outside, like we do in this first one, this is equivalent to saying that this is negative 1 times the fourth root of 16. So we're going to take the fourth root of 16, doing our order of operations, because that's an exponent, we do that first. And we are going to get 2. And then we do a negative 1 times that, so we get negative 2. Now over with our other question here, when we've got the fourth root of negative 16, this is undefined because we are trying to take the fourth root of a negative number. So the fourth root of a negative number is undefined. If you do know some things about complex numbers, that's what is going on here in the background, but we're not going to worry about that here in Math 103. And anytime we've got an even root of a negative number, it is undefined. And really what the difference is and why that's true and why that's always going to be undefined is if we take a negative number, say negative 4 or negative 2, excuse me, raise it to the fourth power, that's negative 2 times itself 4 times, and that is going to be a positive number. There's no way for us to multiply something by itself in even number of times, like twice or 4 times or 6 times or 8 times, and get an odd or get a negative number. It's just not going to happen. Now, if we do switch this up and have the negative cube root of 27 or the cube root of negative 27, both of these are actually fine. This first one is the same as our one up above, that it's negative 1 times that cube root. So we get negative 1 times 3. So we get negative 3. We also get negative 3 here with our cube root of negative 27. And that's because when we take negative 3, raise it to the third power, we actually get a negative number, because we get from these two, we got positive 9 times a negative 3, and we get negative 27. So an odd root of a negative number is okay. Hope this helps out.